Hi, my name is Josh with the Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission. At the Mid-Ohio Regional Planning Commission, we offer a free weatherization program for approved income-based applicants. This program may include insulation in the attic, walls, and floors, air sealing of doors and windows, correct venting of bathroom and kitchen exhaust fans through the roof, repair or possible replacement of furnaces or water heaters, installation of an ASHRAE 62.2 compliant bath fan, which is a specialized exhaust fan that runs on a time setting to improve indoor air quality and to cut down on moisture in the home. Our work is based on an energy audit that uses savings to cost justification to approve any measures we perform on a residence. If you live in a condo with a condo association, we first need formal permission from both the owner and the condo association before an energy auditor can make a site visit for an initial inspection. The required permissions are as follows: installing roof vents if an attic is underventilated, venting an unvented bath fan through the roof to preserve the integrity of the roof decking, installing an ASHRAE compliant bath fan, which will also be vented through the roof if required, cutting an attic access if one is not present in the condo to enter the attic. If sidewall insulation is needed, we will need permission to drill and insulate these walls from the interior of the home. That means holes drilled into each cavity on all exterior facing walls. These holes will be plugged and spackled smoothly. Painting, however, is the responsibility of the homeowner. The weatherization program is an excellent benefit for those who qualify. Our goal is to reduce overall energy consumption to each resident. A home served by our program becomes an energy efficient property with added comfort and value. This program can save the homeowner significant money annually in energy costs. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out to me at weatherization@morpc.org.